So I don't have anything on my lips because I'm about to eat, and that would be redundant or whatever. But we're on our way to go see Jelly Bean Jordan, and this is my second. What are you? Anyway, we're going to go see Jelly Bean Jordan, and I'm gonna find out what the baby is, and then these people have to wait 2 more weeks before they can find out. So I'm the only one who'll know with my mom, and I'm gonna be, hopefully my poker face is like on point. Jelly Bean Jordan is a unicorn. Hopefully I can sell that story. But yeah, so we're on our way now, and I will vlog some more when we get there. Bye.
It means Jelly Bean is a pony.
Hi everyone. So we're here. We're gonna go see what Jelly Bean Jordan is, and I'm super excited. Okay, super excited. We saw ponies on the way, so I'm thinking it's a pony, but I think it's a unicorn. But don't tell anyone. So we're here at Clearwater's Mall because we're gonna get more cupcakes. I showed you on my Instagram story, but I'll probably post it in this vlog. She just said it's not clear waters, it's clear water. I'm sorry, I didn't know there was 2 different malls, and I had to specify that much. But we're here, we're gonna go get more cupcakes. We already spent like 90 bucks here, so we're gonna spend another 100 and just get fat. That's the goal. Okay, let's go. We got our cupcakes. So cute. They're so cute. Look at that one. I want that one.
Cookie Monster.
Cute. And they're just there at the stand. How cute are they? Hi everyone. Welcome back to my vlog. So this week I posted that other vlog, the one from last year before Cape Town, and you guys said you like vlogs, so I'm vlogging. So as you saw, we were going to what are they, doctor's appointments for my sister, and tomorrow we're having her gender reveal party. So today's Friday, and we are running around like headless chickens, going everywhere. So I'll show you every single thing that we got when we get home. But now we're at Macro. Hopefully we'll see Macro guy, but if we don't, that's okay too. But yeah, we're at Macro. After Macro, we're gonna go to Clearwater, then we're gonna go home. I have to bake a carrot cake because I promised my sister I'd give her one, and I haven't, you know, I've been writing. I'm still writing. I'm writing on Monday, and now I have to make a cake or some muffin or something made of carrots, even though I can't eat them, which is so crazy. But yeah, we're gonna do the gender reveal tomorrow, and I'm gonna vlog it, so I just wanted to give you some intro base. And yeah, let's go to Macro. We're gonna do groceries, so let's go. I will try to vlog inside. I can actually hook the tripod onto the trolley, so let's go. We are efficient people. We have grocery lists. We don't just buy. my gosh, you guys, so this past week I went to the doctor. I went to the medical center because the doctor called me and told me that I am severely anemic. So like I feel so exhausted right now, so exhausted, and it came out of nowhere. I feel like I need to get a shot of like Red Bull or something that's gonna like maybe coffee, cause yo, like it came out of nowhere, just instant. 5:30. Yeah, like instant like exhaustion. Surprise home. We got the gift from Woolies, and hopefully I'll get nice footage from tomorrow. From tomorrow? Yes. And you'll be able to see, and you'll be able to find out too, just like everyone else. Because the YouTube fam has to wait too. Okay, you guys, so we're finally home, and I'm going to show you everything that we got for this gender thing tomorrow, because we are making the things now, and I'll show you afterwards how everything looks. So the first things that we picked up are these cute ribbons. Cute ribbons. They look like bandanas. I don't know if you can see that like print, but it's almost identical to a bandana. Then let me show you what it looks like. It's like sheer. I don't know if you can see that, but it's sheer. It's so pretty. Like, look how pretty that is. So we're gonna wrap that around the rim of the gift. Let me show you the little thank yous. So these are the little thank you containers. They're about yay tall. And we're gonna wrap it around the rim over there just to make it look dainty. And then there's little thank you cards. I'll show you once we get there. So we bought a blue one and a pink one just to throw them off. And then we got these cute little bamboo spoons. I don't know what this is gonna be used for. Genuinely, don't know. But they're cute. And then we have different balloons. I have this baby stroller, it says baby boy, and we have this other baby stroller, it says baby girl. So we're gonna blow these up tomorrow. And then we have a black balloon. This is the gender reveal balloon. And then we have balloons. It's a boy, it's a girl, you know, just to throw them off. Then we have normal black balloons. And then we have little candy that we're gonna display. I'll show you the display setup when we get there because we're only displaying tomorrow. So we have the pink ones and blue ones. How cute are they? So they're just little candy sticks. And then we have table cloths. So these are like plastic material. So they're like disposable, reusable if you want to. So we have a baby pink and a baby blue. So we're gonna lay those out. We don't even have, like, they're not that big, but they'll do. And then we have tons, lots and lots and lots of confetti. Okay, these are the thank you little cards. So we're gonna take the ribbon and thread it into the little hole. And it's just a butterfly that says thank you. And we're gonna like hang it on the side of the little container that has the sweets or whatever inside. So we have sashes. It says it's a girl and it's a boy. So the parents will wear this, and they both think that the baby is different things. So we'll see who wears what, because recently they've been confused. Oh, the confetti. So we have tons of confetti. We have blue confetti, pink confetti, like it's all like baby stuff. It's a baby girl, it's a boy. And then we have more pink confetti, more blue confetti. So, and then we have little popcorn boxes. So we're gonna make popcorn now, and we're gonna put them in these little cute, so cute. How cute are these? The little popcorn boxes. So you fold the box up, and it makes like a small little box of popcorn. You'll see it tomorrow because we're making the popcorn today. We'll fill it in tomorrow at the venue. So we have about 2 packs of these, and in each pack I think there's about 10. We have about 40 guests in total, so whoever is like almost like a first come first serve type thing, or if you take, you know. And then we have these straws, these useless straws, but they are so cute and they were like themey, so we got them. So we have this one with the blue polka dots and this one with the pink polka dots. How cute. And then we have these cups which have no use at all, but I'm sure we'll put them to good use tomorrow. So we have 3. So blue, let me show you one of each. So we have the blue one that has the gold rimming, which is so cute. And then we have the pink one that has the pink rimming. It's uber adorable. These are the paper cups, and I have no idea what we're gonna use them for. Serviettes. The one say it's a little girl, and the other one says it's a little boy. More confetti. We have these party flags. I believe they're called party flags, but it's just little, like those triangle things that like loop like that. So we have those blue and pink, and then we have these paper plates, which are going to be great for I don't know yet. So we have these blue and pink, and lastly we have the lids for the sweeties that we're gonna make just now. So I'll show you, we're gonna make the sweets now, and I'll show you how one looks when we're done. But yeah, it's like it's 29. Hopefully we finish by 10 because I have to be up really early tomorrow to get the cake. I'll show you the cake. We're gonna go to Lifestyle to get the balloons pumped. We're gonna go to Woolies just to get some last minute things before we go to the venue. So that is everything we got. We also got the gift I forgot to share at Woolies, but you'll see it tomorrow. Hopefully I vlogged that whole thing. I'm planning on setting up my tripod and my camera like in the corner somewhere. So we'll see about that. We also did groceries, let me show you. So we did groceries, so that's everything that we got, and there's some more in the pantry, which is that side. But yeah, we did some groceries, and that is everything that we got. So I just showed you everything. Now we're gonna make the little gifts, and I'll show you how it looks when we're done. Okay, you guys, so I forgot to show you the candy. So this is all the candy that we got. So let me I just did this whole segment just now, and I wasn't filming any of it. So we got bar ones, Kit Kats, bar ones, and then those are going into the little thank you gift thingies. And then we have these candy faces. These are really nice, but they're cute for like decor, even though the faces are like super scary. We have pink and white marshmallows for girl, pink fizzes for girl, and then we have blue fizzes for boy, and then we have some more mini chocolates. These are all for the kids, so hopefully there's enough in there. There should be more than enough. And then Macro is having this like red dot, yellow dot thing where everything with the red dot is like 30 Rand, but they're all like in one section, and then everything with the yellow dots is 50 bucks. No, red dot's 30, yellow dot is 20. So I picked up these pens just because they look really nice. I like the colors, and I hope they write really nicely because I'm very particular about my pens, because I feel like they all make me write differently. So we check those out. And then we got these markers, and the reason why we need the markers is because we have that paper over there, and it's like a white cardboard, and what we want to do is we want to have a little photo of the scan. So any scan she wants to give us a little photo, and we'll stick it in the middle, and then everyone, before they come up the stairs at the venue, they can just like sign a little message or sign their name. And if they think it's a boy, they'll write in blue. If they think it's a girl, they'll write in pink. and then afterwards the parents can take that and frame it just like a little memento of the day, which is so cute. So yeah, let's just do the sweets and like do the little thank yous, and then I'll show you after we're done.